The sun is sinking over the west coast. The fleet are leaving Dingle shore. I watched the men row in their curraghs as they manned the fishing grounds near Ceol. All through the night men toil until the daybreak, while at home their wives and sweethearts kneel and pray that God may guide them and protect them and bring them safely back to Dingle Bay. I see the green isle of Valencia. I mind the caves around Loch Ray and gannets winging with abandon as they watch the silver shoals that come their way. I also see a ship on the horizon. She is sailing to a country far away. On board, our exiles feeling lonely as they wave a fond farewell to Dingle Bay. Now years have passed since I came homeward, and time has left me old and gray. I sit and muse about my childhood and the happy hours I spent at Dingle Bay. In memory too, I see the hill of Brandon and the Isle of Inishmore seems far away. I am always dreaming of my homeland and the happy hours I spent round Dingle Bay. And the happy hours I spent round Dingle